You can expect a lot from the 2008 Ford F-150 Super Crew. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is a leading example of refined versatility in the full-size pickup segment. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, and power windows. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.